How this healing came into my life in the year 2023. Like she said, they Google my name, total stranger walks in and talks about this. And she said, do you have any issue in your body? And my husband is a doctor, let me give you that background. And I said, I have tennis elbow. And you know how tennis elbow goes on and on. Even the doctor said, it'll be there and then it'll go off on its own kind of thing. And I used to heal, the pain would subside, but it would come the next day. Any weight in the hand, it would come back. She did a 20-minute treatment for me. Right. So I was super excited with this whole thing and I wanted to buy it. And since the cost is, you know how it is, nobody just straight away takes money and gives it like that. So when I told my husband, he said, she's a stranger and all these things are all frauds and, you know, just send her away and how can you entertain? He's scared me. I was reluctantly, I sent her back. But when my daughter came after 2 weeks, she lives in Bangalore. So she visited me. So I told her, see, you know, I want this because it was not getting out of my head. Imagine the pain never came back after that 20 minutes. What I had for 2 weeks, it never came back after her treatment. And then I told her, Papa is not allowing me to buy. She said, Amma, call her. I'll try. I have knee pain. Let's see. So when we called her again, and her knee pain went. My daughter's knee pain went. She said, even my back pain went. And her friends were sitting. Everybody tried an aura reading. Amazing. I can't tell you what is in your head, what you know about yourself, which others don't know, comes out as a report. Don't allow, if you're doing an aura reading, please don't allow anyone to read because all your inner secrets will come out. It's so accurate. And now there was no doubt that this is, this is a good machine. So my daughter bought it for me. She said, tell Papa, I gifted it to you, so there's no controversy, nothing. And since that day, I've been using. First 2 months were a little bit of a challenge because I'm not technically very savvy. So I was doing some mistakes and downloading and all. It was a little bit of a challenge. But then Leena held my hand. Every day she would call and tell me, I also had diabetes. So that was my challenge. For 13 years I had, and you know how the sugar levels never come down. They're only sort of suppressed, but you have it in the back of your mind, the display of sweets and you can't eat, and that's not a nice feeling, let me tell you. For a person who has a sweet tooth and you're told don't eat sweets, it's something I wanted. And she said, yes, diabetes can also be healed. For me, that was enough. Like I was just floored and I wanted to do every program that she guided me. I did it exactly the way it should be done, and after 2 months, the report was superb. Like very, very normal, or the equivalence. My dear husband had to take the credit. He said, at last the medicines are working now. So then I had to tell him, no, I think it is this. I've been doing it very religiously. Really, whatever 3 to 5 programs a day, everything, not even one day, I can tell you that for the 2 months I compromised on anything because I just wanted. I've seen the quality. See, you can feel in the first 14 days they give you a guarantee period that if you don't like it, return it. You will feel it, but to tell exactly black and white the report I didn't have. But inside I was feeling very nice. So you can't just tell somebody that you're feeling nice is a good sign. It's not, you can't sell something like that. But my report was something that I could tell. It was in black and white, my sugar levels and all other readings, superb. It was like a young person's report. And there's no looking back. After that, I did a lot of experiments because see, I know if I tell people that this is good, buy it, they will buy it. Eyes closed. That much trust people have on me. But I have to be very, very sure. So for the next 3 months, I went on doing experiments. We have a way in pranic healing to scan and measure the energy levels before and after. So we use our hands and measure. And so I did a lot of experiments with different treatments to different people. And then the results were just too good. People were feeling so good. After that, I started talking, and then there was no looking back because, you have a doctor in your pocket. Anytime you feel low on energy, you just have to, just switch it on and run the program. It is so simple. You can use your phone. Of course, it's connected by Bluetooth with the apps on the phone. There is no disturbance. You can send messages. You can talk on the phone. It does not interfere. So why will I not run parallelly a health this thing for myself? Why did I not do it when, it's like God sent? And whatever he covered, Mr. Rajendra gave a very good presentation. Let me tell you, it is just the tip of the iceberg. When you actually own the Healy, you will see you can do different combinations and different programs. It is never ending. It becomes part of you. You're with it all the time. It doesn't interfere with your life, and quality. A good feeling, that nourished feeling for your, age-related symptoms will come down. You will see it. I guarantee you that. This is my personal request that every person should have your own this thing, because if they're abroad or something, you know that you're making a difference. And just like how we know about frequencies, how it reaches here and there, and you can change frequencies and all that, we are aware. So why don't we believe in this? That he's done this. Our